How to add dark mode on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issue to add dark mode on your Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now scroll down. You can see the option for appearance over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the option for dark mode over here. Tap on it. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna enable dark mode on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.